welcome to Monday, December 14th, 2020. I am live in Mrs. Garza's third grade class, and I have three pledges. Their names are
Alexa, Destiny, Danette.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and join Danette, Alexa, and Destiny as we do our pledges. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of
the United States of America
and to the republic to which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now our Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Thank you. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at school, at home, or on the bus that makes you feel unloved, unsafe, or even disrespected, please find a trusted adult and let them know how you feel. We continue to be a no place for hate school. So remember that you promised to do your best to treat everyone fairly. You promised to do your best to be kind to everyone. If you see someone being hurt or bullied, tell a teacher. Remember to help others feel safe and happy. And remember that you will be a part of making your school a no place for hate. Today we do have some happy birthdays. Happy birthday to Ariana E. and Santiago H. Our announcements. Today we are rocking the holiday socks, so I love seeing all of the different socks that you guys are wearing. Tomorrow is our Grinch Tuesday. If you do not have a Grinch shirt, wear something green. Also, faculty and staff, please remember there is something waiting for you in the front office, so if you get a chance, please go by. Our character education theme for the for the month of December are honesty and integrity. Our words of wisdom today come to us from motivational speaker Malalia Yousafzai. When the world is silent, even one voice becomes powerful. All right, friends, that wraps up our Monday morning announcements with something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. We hope today, tomorrow, and every day you choose to make it a marvelous, marvelous Monday.